Hello everyone, welcome back to Smiley Kids. Today we're going to see Class 10 Physics, Chapter 10, Light, Reflection and Refraction. Today's topic is all going to be about Introduction to Light. Let's see the session view of today. First, what is light? Second, two important theories of light. Third, characteristics of light. Fourth, sources of light. Fifth, what are transparent, translucent and opaque objects? Sixth, the light rays. And seventh, what is a beam of light and what are its types? Apart from that, stay tuned at the end for the interesting fact. So without getting late, let's begin it. Let's turn on the light. Well, what is light? It is a form of energy which enables us to see objects. Well, a glowing lamp, the sun, the stars, etc. are visible to us due to the light energy emitted by them. But wait, the moon does not emit any light energy, but it is seen by us. Why does this happen? This happens due to the reflection of light. This happens due to the reflection of sunlight by it. Hence, we are able to see moon. We get the sensation of vision when light from the different objects around us reaches our eyes and their images are processed in the brain. There are two theories of light, namely wave theory of light and particle theory of light, also known as quantum theory. Let's see each in detail. The wave theory. The wave theory was initially given by Huygens, but later it was modified by Maxwell. Now, what is wave theory actually telling us? First thing it tells is that the light travels in the form of waves. Second thing we should know about wave theory is that light does not require any material medium to travel. That is, it can easily propagate through vacuum as well with a high velocity of 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Next thing is that light is electromagnetic in nature. This means that the light is propagated as electromagnetic wave in which electric and magnetic field vectors vibrate perpendicular in the direction of the propagation and they carry energy with them. This means that the waves of the light are perpendicular to the direction of the wave. Hence, light is a transverse wave. The phenomena like diffraction and polarization can only be explained by the wave theory. The quantum theory was given by Albert Einstein. Its characteristics say that light consists of particles called photons, and these photons travel in a straight line. And remember that these photons travel with a velocity of 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. And the phenomena like photoelectric effect, emission, absorption of light can only be explained by the particle theory or the quantum theory. Thus, there are evidences that light has a dual nature, that is, a wave nature and a particle nature. Let's move ahead. What are the characteristics of light? First, light always travels in a straight line. Second, when light travels from one medium to another medium, this means that the frequency of the light does not change but the velocity and the wavelength of the light will change. This means when the light is traveling from one medium, let's say solid, to another medium, let's say liquid, the frequency of light does not change while the velocity and the wavelength change. The third characteristic of light says that the speed of the light of all the wavelengths is same in the case of vacuum. But whereas in a medium, the speed of the light is different for different wavelengths. And remember, in a given medium, the greater the wavelength, the greater will be the velocity of the light. The sources of light are mainly of two types. They are natural and man-made. We all know that sun is the chief natural source of light for us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth, but it is so powerful enough to make the earth bright at daytime. The innumerable stars that we see in the night sky are also the example of natural sources of light. And well, we need not speak about artificial sources of light. There are so many. For example, electric bulb, burning wood, oil lamp, burning candles, etc. Let's understand few important terms and their definitions. What are transparent, translucent, and opaque objects? The substances which pass most of the incident light through them are called transparent objects. Example, water, glass, etc. Moving on to translucent, the substances which pass partial light through them are called translucent objects. Example, tracing paper and the bottle you see on the screen. Then we have opaque objects. The substances which do not pass light at all through them are called opaque objects. Example, stone, wood, the plant you see on the screen, etc. Well, wait, can you see what is behind this pot? Well, obviously not. Now let's see what actually is behind this pot. Let me eliminate this plant from here. Well, that's a diamond ring. So these substances which do not pass light at all through them are called the opaque objects. What is a light ray? The path of the light is called a light ray, which is generally represented by an arrow, and this arrow gives the direction in which the light propagates. As shown here, this means that the light is propagating in this direction. What is a beam of light? The group of light rays. The group of light rays which are originating from a source in some definite direction is called a beam of light. There are three types of beam of light. One is the parallel beam of light. Second is the convergent beam of light. And third is the divergent beam of light. Let's understand each in detail. First, a parallel beam of light. The group of light rays originating from a source in some definite direction and are parallel to each other is called a parallel beam of light. Now, what is convergent beam of light? The group of light rays which actually meet at a specific point is known as a convergent beam of light. In this case, let's say this is the ray A, B and C. The A, B and C light rays are converging, that is they are meeting at a specific point named P. Such beams of lights are known as convergent beam of light. Then we have divergent. Those group of light rays which actually spread or appear to spread from a point is a divergent beam of light. For example, sun. It diverges the light rays in different directions, right? Such rays are known as the divergent beam of light rays. Let's hear an interesting fact. One mirror can produce one image. That is, a single mirror produces a single image. What is new in this? Let's move on. Another single mirror can produce another second image. What's new in this? Let's move on. But have you ever wondered, when the two mirrors are put together at right angles, they form three images. Where does this third image come from? The third image is produced by the reflection of light from both the mirrors before entering the eye. Our next video is gonna be about the reflection of light. Stay tuned. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and before leaving, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Smiley Kids and hit the bell icon for all the updates. Thank you, friends.